€1 car. Officially, it's officially a €1 car. And say hello to Lucia. 800 kilometers A to B over the Alps on the journey to see if this car can be crowned the cheapest car in Europe. Only on Wimpy Brothers. So now we're finishing at Lamborghini. The next pit stop, the next challenge for the old Seicento Fiat 600 is the border. No chance, mate. There she is. Lucia. Yes. Thank God I wouldn't have made it home. Right, let's go and get a beer. Let's go and get a beer. What's up, guys? Good morning. Well, I love waking up in the Alps. It's beautiful, man. And the air fresh. Alpine fresh. Right. It's like 7 AM. I've not had like huge amounts of sleep, but wow. Yeah, so starving by the time obviously I arrived at Adeline Guillaume's, right? And they did like a chicken fondue. What amazing. Thank you so much, Adeline Guillaume, for your hospitality. Right, enough talking, need to get on the road. I'll explain to you on the way. Dee basically booked us a restaurant at midday, and yeah, she really does not want me to be letting her down. So Lucia, I've got a lunch date with a D. I need you to get me there, but on top of that I need you to get me there on time. Now we've set off at 7 o'clock. Normally it's a 4-hour journey. I'm anticipating it's going to take us a little bit longer, so I need to get there, get showered, jump in the Wimpestang and head out to the restaurant. Yeah, let's have it. Let's go. Wow, these views are absolutely breathtaking. So my mate Gil was telling me last night, apparently Michael Schumacher had one of these. Yeah, apparently, right, he was essential liquids check. Good job my mate gave us some coolant, because yeah, it's empty again. But yeah, apparently Michael Schumacher had one of these. And yeah, he was just driving through the busy streets of like Rome. Obviously in his Ferrari, probably one of the really like high-end ones. And yeah, saw one of these at a dealership, slammed on his brakes, and yeah, just traded it in. Was just like, keep whatever with a Ferrari, take it away. I want one of these. And my mate, he's a reliable source. So it kind of got me thinking. Yeah, it got me thinking, if Michael Schumacher, Formula 1 Ferrari legend, driving god, and just damn right hero, human hero, thinks it's a good idea to just, you know, trade a Ferrari for a Seicento, maybe there might be someone watching this who has a Ferrari that wants to just do a trade. And yeah, I'm happy. It doesn't even have to be the latest one, not like Schumacher's, it could just be any Ferrari. But yeah, hit me up on send me a little message on Instagram. And if you haven't got a Ferrari to trade, just follow me on Instagram anyway. There's a bit of insight into the new build on there, just saying. This definitely was not, that screeching was definitely not there yesterday. That is definitely a new injury. I was relatively I'd say I was not confident, but I was feeling positive that we'd get there. But
based on all the noises that are coming out of Lucia this morning, now I'm a bit worried. I'm a bit worried. That's bad, man, that's bad. What the hell is that noise? I don't like it.
Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Right, this car does have kind of a stat claim to fame, for all the wrong reasons. Let me explain. Since the Euro NCAP test, obviously with the crash test, and you can get the star rating, I think obviously from 0 stars to 5 stars, this car had a rating of 1.5 stars. There is only one car that exists in the world that has a lower rating than this one, and it's a close call, apparently. This little car just lost out, I think, to a Rover 100. If there are any Rover whatevers are still left on the road, this could be the least safe car on the road ever recorded by NCAP. How do you like them apples? Hence why I've been trying to put that to the back of my mind. I'm about to come off the motorway. Yeah, literally in the last 8 minutes, 8 kilometers of the journey to go. I'd be lying if I said I've not grown quite attached to this car. We've done a really good adventure together. Initially I thought maybe I'd just sort of, I don't know what I'd do with it. Crush it, or I don't know what I was going to do with it. And now I just think it deserves way more than that. This might be the Wimpy Brothers' new daily driver. Yeah, I just can't believe it's doing it. It looks like it's going to do it. All right, I'm going to arrive a bit late, but who cares? We arrived. We're looking like we're going to arrive. I hope you enjoyed this road trip as much as certainly we have. It's the cheapest car in Europe. 800 kilometers. Took on the Alps, spat them out. Lucia, you're special. You are special. Well done.
So there it is, a car that I paid just one single euro for, the same price I've just paid for this baguette. So there she is, officially then, Europe's most cheapest car. And the fact that I've not seen a Renault 100 on the roads for the past decades, potentially the most dangerous. Not that I'll be chauffeuring Juliet around in that car, or Edith for that matter, but yeah, it's not going to stop me from Lucia being now my new daily driver. Well, yeah, maybe that one. As little as I paid for that little car, it's definitely taught me 2 very valuable lessons. Sometimes the price of a car and what it's worth are 2 very different things. Is that Veneno in Bologna really worth 8 million euros? And is Lucia only actually worth 1 euro? In my opinion, in both counts, definitely not. And last but not least is when buying a car, sometimes don't let the whole fear and anxiety that comes from this part get in the way. Sometimes when you first lay eyes on a car and you get that gut feeling, sometimes that's all you need. Trust your gut and do it. But as always guys, I've been Wimpy, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you unveil a new rebuild very soon. Laters.
C'è anche rossa?